In 1907, China's first tungsten ore was discovered at Mount Xihua of Dayu in Ganzhou, Jiangxi, which initiated 100 years history of Chinese tungsten industry. Ganzhou has established a worldwide reputation as the tungsten capital of the world for its rich tungsten resources. In the epic of China tungsten industry development, there is such a private tungsten enterprise called Grand Sea, having the breadth of the sea spirit and the vision of globalization. The entrepreneurs of Grand Sea became such a group of tight players in the trend of the development of Chinese tungsten industry. Grand Sea is also a successful model of the rapid development of China tungsten industry. As a fast-growing company, Ganzhou Grand Sea Tungsten and a Molybdenum Group Limited Company was founded for coordinated management. Grand Sea embarked on the path of improved competitiveness along the industry value chain. After over 10 years of our remaining efforts, Grand Sea has developed a complete tungsten industry chain from resource exploration, mining, smelting to tungsten powders and cemented carbide finished products. With registered capital of $20 million and 500 employees, Grand Sea has become an important member in the domestic and global tungsten industrial family. Using technological innovations as a driver of development, Grand Sea invests more than 3% of its sales revenue in R&D every year and has over 20 patents. We are certified to ISO 9001-2008 Quality System, Environmental Protection System, as well as OSAS 18001 Occupation Health and Safety Management System. Flexible and controllable smelting technology is to produce different shapes of APT. With controlled particle size distribution, Green Metallurgy cooperated with Chinese Academy of Sciences. Grand Sea developed an advanced ammonia-nitrogen recycle system to reuse the ammonia-nitrogen generated in APT processing, making our sky bluer and our water cleaner. The comprehensive tungsten technology and facilities, BTO, VTO manufacturing technology, particle size classification technology, multi-tube reduction furnace, automatic molybdenum wire carbonization furnace, and so on. All series of cemented carbide products are specialized in carbide rods, introduced foreign technology and experts to both the advanced production line of cemented carbides, primarily fine and ultrafine carbide grades by extrusion, die pressing, and isostatic pressing, customization technologies for large, special-shaped parts. Introduced technology, equipment, talents, and management, having a joint venture company with Kyocera to make world first-class, high-precision coated cutting inserts. Comprehensive process quality inspection and control system, introduced advanced analysis equipment from Germany, Japan, and the United States, established a domestic first-class quality control center to guarantee the requirements of technical innovation and quality assurance. Grand Sea products covering the whole tungsten industry chain has been constantly improving production capacity. We make the advantages of the whole industry chain. All staffs pour love into the company. consistently pursue the excellence of work and service. Our products are favored by domestic and foreign customers, are exported to Japan, the United States, Europe, and other regions. The amount of exports has accounted for 40% of total sales revenue. Respecting science, improving innovation. Grand Sea, a fast-growing tungsten processing enterprise, is one of the few integration enterprises in China which has a complete industry chain, from resources to deep processing of high-end carbide products. We are striving towards our goal: become a domestic first-class, international well-known tungsten processing enterprise.